Hello students, my UPSC class welcomes you and today we are going to discuss this very important topic and this topic is going to be a 5-star topic for your pre as well as mains. So in this video we are going to discuss everything what is this JCPOA because of a recent talk between Iran and USA just again started. So why this topic is important as a international affairs for your mains examination, everything just we are going to discuss in this video. What is the background in 2015, what happened, number of countries, what this JCPOA, this international affair and this topic is going to be very important for your exam. That's why we just selected here. And not only this topic, whatever just we provide on our channel, so definitely this is going to be very important. And also you will get the blog article for this, totally everything from starting to last, what important, what points you need to just write for your question practice or like answer writing, everything just we have deal. Now just we are going to start, sir, why this topic, why this is going to be very important, why this in news? Because of after gap of 5 months, Iran, Russia, China and European countries resume negotiation to the Vienna Review of 2015 nuclear agreement. So basically this is like a security deal, or this is like a basically deal related to nuclear weapons and different kinds of army weapons between 6 countries. So this joint comprehensive plan of action, so this is just known as joint comprehensive plan of action, in short term just known as JCPOA. So this is like a basic review and in recent from 2015 every time this is in news in the Trump of or at the time of the Trump, this is also news, but they were like Iran is always out from this deal. So due to that some reason, there are lots of reasons they want to develop their own weapons. But what happened after Joe Biden? Again, they just started talking about this deal, and they especially started and appointed a Hanoi for this Iran. So definitely this is a very important topic. Now just tell me, sir, what is this JCPOA? Very important whenever just you are writing questions or in paper also. What happened related to mains examination? You are just talking about international affairs. They can just ask. So you need to just write these things and the basic information you just have. So first of all, so the JCPOA, the Iran nuclear deal formerly known as Joint Comprehensive Plan of Action JCPOA. This deal is also known as Iran nuclear deal. So is an agreement of Iranian nuclear program reached in Vienna 14 July 2015. So what happened in 2015? In July 2015, this deal is just signed between P plus 5. P plus 5 is a very important point. So what point you need to just write? This deal is a basically just known as nuclear deal, and this is just deal between P5 plus 1. P5, what is the meaning of P5? P5 is nothing, sir. Basically, in our Security Council of United Nations, we have 5 permanent members: China, France, Russia, United Kingdom, and United States. Plus, extra one country, just Germany. So what happened with Iran? All 6 countries just started talking about this. Talking about this nuclear deal. This deal is also known as nuclear deal or Iran nuclear deal, and also known as, sir, JCPOA. So this is the basic background. So what happened? The Iran nuclear deal has often been in the news from the time to time, primarily focusing on the forestry relationship between Iran and USA. So although Iran nuclear deal was stalled under the US President Trump in 2018, but the new President Joe Biden has expressed interest reviving the JCPOA again, like announcement in May 2021. So after like a new president in USA, they just again want to talk about this deal. This Joe Biden during this campaign had promised to revive the nuclear deal after his election. So he appointed a special envoy for Iran. Indirect talks with Iran through European started immediately, but no agreement was reached for after like 6 rounds is still completed. But still this deal is pending. Why this deal is pending? Because of already Iran just want to develop their nuclear capabilities and nuclear weapons. Already what happened recently in Iran also new like a government president Ibrahim Raisi so has forward to talk, so they just again want to talk, but already Iran has a like state up its nuclear activities since 2019. So already just they started, they just increasing and they just installed more than 1000 more advanced centrifugals of its plants which enrich uranium more quickly. So what happened under that deal? They're just talking about like stopping or like only limited use of this uranium or this basically nuclear weapons. But already Iran just they don't want to. Already just in 2015 they just started after 6 deals, after 6 meetings of Vienna. Still this deal is pending. but again this like started again they are talking about this deal. So definitely in future this deal is like going to be a final conclusion. So whenever this they put, definitely we are going to provide a special conclusion video for this topic. So starting and past and why this topic is important for your exam, everything just we have discussed and why this in news. So this full article related to this, what is this JCPOA, as well as why this talk, everything from starting to up to your current topic or current affair, everything just I am providing in the video description. One link is there, and on our website myupscclass.com, you just go there. One link also just I am providing in video description, and just try to read now. Basic idea everything just I given now, just try to read. And what is the important, you just require to understand this deal and why this topic is important for your exam, not only for pre-exam, this is also for your mains exam. So number of questions they can just frame, but things are very common. You need to write the important topic, you need to just write important points in your answers. So this completes today's video, guys. Thank you guys for watching this video. Just like, if you like these types of videos, definitely every day we are going to provide the best of best topic. So just like this video and subscribe our channel. Definitely we are going to put more and more efforts for my needful and financial weak student. Thank you guys for watching this video. Link of our website available in video description. Thank you.